Namaste everyone, I am Chandresh Bhardwaj. I hope you are doing well. I'm very excited to share this message with you. Today is the day that I'm going to welcome all of you officially to apply for Leela. The applications are out and you can apply and be part of Leela. But that's not the core message I want to share. That's the one essence of the message. I want to talk about why Leela is very important, very profound for not only me, but for the message of the masters that need to reach to you, me, and everyone who's seeking. I don't know where to start when I start, really talking about Leela. I don't know where to begin. The journey of Leela, I think, really started in college for me, when I started seeing that there is need for an authentic spiritual school. And in the Eastern traditions, we used to have gurukuls. Gurukuls means, the ancient spiritual school system where the teachers would, train students to become future teachers, but also spiritual seekers. And that concept, that tradition is slowly fading away and faded away in many parts of India, in the Asia. And the reason I left Wall Street was because of this. And this is, going back to the year 2008, 2009, when I really wanted to create this. And Leela showed up in my heart many times in the past few years. But I wanted to feel ready, qualified, responsible enough to share this very sacred message with all of you. My grandmother, who's the inspiration behind the name Leela, her name is Leela. And she didn't go to school. And she always told me that if she reincarnates into the planet Earth again, she would want to go to school. And I would tell her, all the wisdom I have is coming from you. So I don't think you're missing anything. But she would always say, no, that, one thing I need. I want to be able to read, write. And I felt that pain, that longing in her. And this is the reason I thought of calling my school Leela. Leela means play of consciousness. It means that you and I are in this play together. So drop the seriousness and embrace the unknown. Embrace the plot twist, the uncertainty of every play that you take part in. Leela is going to be the modern spiritual school. I hope it becomes the school that you can grow and trust into learning Tantra, learning the Eastern wisdom traditions, learning how to really explore the complexity of the spirituality, learning how to really embrace the simplicity of spirituality. That's my intention with Leela, that it becomes the trusting space for each one of you who is really longing to go deeper in their spiritual path. That's Leela. What's not Leela is a spa textbook spirituality experience, and I'll go into it. The modern spirituality has become more like a spa experience. You're tired, you had a long day, you are stressed out, you hit, start on an app, or you go to a spa and you feel relaxed. That's what the modern spirituality has become. But the traditional spirituality was not really always about being relaxed. It was about exploring the unknown. It was about going deeper into your self-realization, no matter what's going on. It's the willingness, the devotion, the dedication that you need to go deeper into spirituality. And my hope is Leela provides you that willingness. Leela is not going to be a textbook spirituality space. What does it mean? It means that the textbook spirituality is textbook. It's not practical. Many people, many teachers, many speakers, they talk about the spiritual stuff coming straight from the books. But either that feels outdated, it feels unrelatable, it feels as if they're talking into some random voice. I feel the textbook spirituality almost limits you and make you a robot, but that's the purpose of many textbooks, right? They try to put you into a system, but spirituality is like love. It cannot fit into a template, cannot fit into a structured system. If there are 1,000 people listening to this, each one of you is going to have a unique connection, unique relationship with the spirituality. And my hope is Leela brings you that unstructured, raw, but still very much, profound, primordial, ancient, traditional wisdom that you and I need. To begin with, Leela is going to be application-only school. We want to make it very confined to certain kind of students in the very beginning, and then as the school evolves, and we'll start to invite more students in. The reason why it's not open for all, because we do want to make sure that you are ready for Leela and Leela is ready for you. And there will be a brief application process where we get to know who you are. What's your challenge? What's your motivation behind Leela? Why do you want to go into it? And then we'll have a call with you, and then you're most welcome to join in. Leela will have the talks. The first program, the meditation program, is called Conscious Meditation. And this program is going to have a bunch of talks by me, which explores various facets of meditation. It's going to have 30 audio guided meditations as well. Above all, which is my favorite part, it's going to have a circle, a community space where you and I can have chats, discussions, and I'm going to share live meditations, live experiences, live tantra rituals into that circle community. And I think that's truly where you can, translate the lectures, the meditations into a more practical experience. That's the hope. And my hope and my intention is that this vision of Leela really comes alive with your support, because it's really you who motivated me, inspired me to take this huge step. I could not have stepped into this. The modern spirituality is very complex. It depends on marketing. It depends on the noise of social media. And I told you in August last year, on 7th August, the date of my birthday, I told you I'll do it my way. And I'm still sticking to it. I'll do it my way. And I hope you can join my way and it becomes our way. Thank you for listening. See you in Leela.